Hi, welcome to Innovation and Electronics. So this is our one of the project, that is image to speech conversation using Raspberry Pi. So in this project will automatically convert text into audio format. If you place any text content in front of the camera, like you can place your mobile phone data, or you can place any paper in front of the camera, the system will automatically capture and then it will automatically convert it into text format, and then finally it will provide audio output. Okay, so here I am using Raspberry Pi B plus model. So this is a Raspberry Pi B plus model, and then I am using one audio amplifier board for boosting the audio signal from the Raspberry Pi. It will automatically convert into high signal by using the just audio amplifier. And then this is for power circuit board. This circuit providing enough power for the amplifier circuit, and then finally I am used one speaker. Okay, fine. Then you have to actually I am connected power section. This is for providing enough power for Raspberry Pi, and this is for HDMI cable output for monitoring the process, what the current process is going on in monitor. We can also monitor the data in front of the monitor. That's why I am connected HDMI cable. And then this is audio jack for getting the audio signal from the Raspberry Pi. And then here I am connected 3 USB, one USB for keyboard and another one is for mouse, and the remaining one for camera. I am using USB camera. You can use Raspberry Pi camera also. So I am using this kind of camera. You can see that. So I am using that camera. Okay, fine. So before I just open to my VLC media player, why? Because we have to make sure the camera is capturing the data in good manner. Okay, so this is my cell phone. I just placed my phone in front of the camera because we have to make sure the camera is a good position or not. Okay, you can see the data. Actually my phone also displaying some data, so you can see the same data in monitor. Okay, fine. So this manner we can get data is displaying correct or not. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to show the one demo. Okay, so this is a song, just a Johnny Johnny Yes Papa song. Just I take the screenshot in my phone, and then you can see the same data in VLC media player also. Now I'm going to run the source code. I'm just going to close the VLC closed, then I'm going to run it. Okay, so you can see that I'm going to run it.
Okay, start. Now working, please wait. Johnny, telling lies. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Okay, ready.
Fine. Actually, you can see that data. Now I'm going to show the again demo. Okay, so again I'm going to run the source code. So again going to run it.
Okay, start. Now working, please wait. Is CORNPTICATIAOGWIHTG. Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar. No, Papa. Telling lies. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Okay, ready.
Fine. So before that you can see the some like a text also. Why? Because this image will containing some this URL data. Okay, so this audio first we have to hear it, that then we can hear the data also. Fine. How it will working? I'm just going to open the folder and then I show the format. Okay, I'm going to my file manager. Okay, this is my file manager, and simply go to temp folder. You can see the last image. Okay, this is the image. You can see that. So this image will automatically taking in front of the phone, and it will automatically convert into text format. We can see the text also, how it will going to convert it. Okay, okay, fine. So there is a text file. I just open it. Okay, so you can see that. So this is the data. So Johnny, yes Papa, eating sugar, no Papa, telling lies, no Papa, open your mouth. Aha. Before that we can hear some unwanted data, like so this is the unwanted data. It will capture from here. Okay, so this data will also we can get the in front of the text. Okay, for demo purpose again I'm going to show the another one image. Okay, wait, I'm going to close it. Fine. So now it is Johnny Yes Papa. I'm going to again place another one. Okay, you can just see it. This is also one of the song, children's song. Okay, again I'm going to run the source code. You can see that.
Okay, start. Now working. Please wait. Errors. Hide little pussy. Her coat is so warm. And if don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. So he'll not pull her tail, nor drive her away. But pussy armed, very gently will play. She shall sit by my side, and I'll give her some food. And she'll love me because, one day in gentle and good, pat little pussy, and then she will purr, and thus show her thanks for my kindness to her. He'll not pinch her ears, nor tread on her paw, lest should provoke her to use her sharp paw.
Actually, this content having lot of data, that's why it will displaying all the data. Now I'm going to
Ready.
open the same process. Okay, I'm going to go to temp folder, and then we can monitor the image also. So this image we can get it. Okay, fine. We can now I'm going to show the text for text data also. So this is the text data. You can see that. Okay. So this is the complete setup. So Raspberry Pi monitor, but monitor is not compulsory. You can control the project by using your laptop also. Monitor is not mandatory. Okay, fine. So thank you for watching. For more detail, you can contact our office number. Thank you.